Are your Jetbrains apps crashing due to the Jetbrains .peak common DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we get started with Jetbrains .peak common, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Jetbrains .peak common. Part of the Jetbrains .peak decompiler, this library manages localized assembly navigation and metadata decomposition. If missing, the decompiler will fail to open .NET binaries, reporting a metadata resolution error or immediate process termination. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Jetbrains .peak common DLL and restore stability. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Jetbrains .peak common component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of Jetbrains .peak common DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. A structured registry approach is outlined in the software linked below, including Jetbrains .peak common management references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Jetbrains .peak common workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.